Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about Confessions of a Professional Organizer, Part 2. You might be thinking to yourself, how on earth could a professional organizer ever have anything to get rid of? It can happen. I helped downsize and clear out my mom's home after she passed away, and I accumulated a few things, my own doing. I thought it would be interesting to have a scale, one of these. I've never ever had one at my place, and I thought, what the heck, maybe I'll have one. I have found, based on my personality style, that having a scale is very detrimental. And I think that it's detrimental to probably most women. Why do we need to step on that scale and find out how much we weigh? We know if our clothes feel good, if they feel tight, if they feel loose. And really, it's just a number. So I say, part with the scale. I'm getting ready to move, and this is not making the cut. It will not go to the next location. Check out the article below. Leave comments, as always. Love to hear from you. And if you're needing help with what to purge and what not to purge, check out GettingItTogether.ca.